Well, it's Buick Saturday, and the tedious job of putting some of the wiring back in the dash has begun. I cleaned up all the end terminals, the wiring, I got the tar off of it, make sure there's no damage. I haven't replaced the bulbs yet, I probably will. But I just want to get a feel. I did get the light switch in. I'm going to hook up as much as I can, and then I want to make sure that everything is functioning, that I hooked up like the light switch, the dash lights, all that stuff. So I want to do that before, obviously before putting it back in the car. But what a mess. And it's just the beginning. Got a few more things done. I did get the testing the lights in the dash and the dimmer. Cleaned that up real good. It's working pretty good. I got the turn signals, not the turn signals, but got the headlights checked out, and got some of the components in. But I do have the dimmer switch hooked up, and I do have power to the correct wires, so that's good. Got the ignition switch in. Got the defroster fans and stuff in. I haven't checked those yet. But before I go too much farther, I want to get my windshield washer or wiper and washer hoses replaced and test that before I go any farther, because that's kind of a pain to put that in there. But I've made pretty good progress this morning, so I'm going to regroup and take a look at that.